PNP and this PNP. Some pussy we claim say them a neutral and this other man and a drop the other man. Yeah, one brother when name. What is Rusty Face Bumbo? Because the whole of them call me so, you know. My general. Oh, Rusty Face, Rasta boy, nobody don't know him about him, nobody don't know him. I said the whole of them style me, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I want everyone to pussy them, man.
You pull on the man. You only could do the blood clot one name VG. I tried this all blood clot caution. I drop caution out the box and this all caution. And them boy they can't even bumbo clot articulate themselves properly with terms of words and speaking properly. With full understanding. And I decide, yo, some man I think know a bumbo. Me say enough of them boy they feel glad. Say a buck of blood clot this time they attack to Ross, but there's them teeth left for ground.
Yo, the boy when I word your time, you have to give me your time need and that. That time is expensive.
Robert C, you need to Robert C, I just madman on this live. Robert, you know me I go do. Me not go answer you. Before me tell you if you go chuck in the deepest crevice, say your mama me block your nasty bumbo ass clot.
Yeah. Are you selling me no grass, no grow?
Before me blood clean to argue with you, I appear madman upon the line. Me tell you if you go chuck in the deepest crevice, say your mama, I make your father grind you up because you have factory blood clot fault. Me leave it at blood clot that. Because you can come per man live or come institute. Go substitute your bumbo clot people them.
Yeah, man. And them boy they fuck them sister, man. You
clot. See when you get might about blood clot. You're madman upon live. And then the boy they watch them their sister pussy.
Yeah, man, I smell them mama jazz, you know?
Yes. Yes, them boy there. I play please blood clot puss. You have a sign. Caution about you me the boy talk about anybody with them caution sign. Go suck out your mama big stinking sour batty boy. Imagine the boy when he a Miller, him is not a media personnel. Him talk a lot of things against the opposition leader. And you gonna Canada gonna purport be an imposter as a media man. You don't know the man, talk about the man. And you're on your bumbo clan live about motivation. Miller if you come try to talk to Mark Golden. You nasty, literate, dirty blood bumbo clan. So a pussy hole. You don't know what's that security is that batty boy. And you over your line talk about motivation and Miller have right. After him the media lick out against the man and attack harmful things against the man. If I saw what I'm to him in a dirty stinking prosy boy, then we'll just bang your blood clot as accessory to it. You illiterate fuck up. Your media platform in the reading and attack things against Mark Golden. And then got Canada go purport and impose as a media man if you go near the opposition. He's a wicked dirty blood bumbo clot. Now nasty dirty blood clot grasmite, termite nastiness. The man they put your platform and lick out on the man. And he thought on the man. Who know? I talk about the man have a right to be there. I mean, go suck out your bumbo clot, girl them. I mean, I tell you that blood clot. It's a literate nasty bumbo ass clot. Threaten me like how you threaten everybody else, your blood clot, Bramptonite, pussy hole. Your bumbo clot walk out of chop round like it is biggest of this big stinking sour blood clot. And I walk out of these people like you think so you have a right to. Yeah? This the lady. The lady said, listen, I am not going to talk about this because I don't know the circumstances of this king. This thing is in the courts. So let us be fair and give this thing a ear, make it go on. You accuse the lady, say she had this. You disrespect her heritage. Oh, she a igla. No, man, I say, hold on, I really do that. You go the woman to the core. Then you start, then Tasha not tell you, say, brother, you're wrong. The lady will say she a wait, she don't know nothing about the thing. And you attack the lady. Then you can't talk about the man a buggery. In a pedophilia, your blood clot big, sour, stinking, dirty blood clot. Hey boy, I'm not going to jump on internet, you know. And I live this fake blood clot life, you know. No, no, real, no, boy. No fun, no real. Like man has screw no blood clot. You come and talk about cash and a pedo. Hey, bumbo clot, boy. I not even like talking, you know. Me expect better for a reading. Of all of the money on the platform, I expected better from reading. When things happen to me, what read do? Read it of the money on the platform and stop me from come up on the page. Okay, your platform. All right, cool. You look numbers and gifts and likes. Tell the same and tell me go suck out your wife. You hurt you so bad. You use my message to spearhead the attack on him. Eh? Oh, Mikey Natural was nobody until a man tell me go suck out your woman. Eh? And that's the time you gain strength. Use Mikey thing. Empress Rain, welcome to the chat, ma'am. How are you? Empress Rain?
King man, who are you today?
I know one me, man. One boy over someone we call himself Reedy, man. They're supposed to protect woman. Him a disrespect a Empress, man. Like a jankro. I expect say nobody enough to tell him saying wrong.
Oh Lord. Look like you tick you off. You're bonfire, you're down Babylon right now, you know.
Right now, me, I don't say me not care, but I am burning the fire easier right now than before. Because you know what? It is all facts.
Okay.
You get me?
Right.
When the Punkos diss me with my daughter, you know, it was nothing. Oh, Mike, the man now let me in a box. The man have the same man when this me with my youth. And you born pedophile. You's a blood clot, nasty, big, stinking, sour blood clot. That's why more time in the school up. Own sword.
Yeah, man, them boy they fuck pussy and batty, you know?
A shitty pussy them boy they are fuck, man. Them boy they are dipstick.
Mercy. King man, I blaze the fire hard.
See, when you disrespect a lady on this platform, good evening, Empress. See, you disrespect a lady on the platform. The lady said to you, say, listen, I don't know the circumstances, right? I am going to wait because the matter. Empress D, good night.
Good night. Hi, everybody.
Just a second, I'll come to you. There's a case, the case is in the courts. Them two people are on it. We can't in the media and speculate on this thing. Let us know all the pointers where the case go towards where it is. See, the chick say, I am not for pedophilia, but in this case, I don't know what the situation is. Let us wait and see. And then you have the audacity to disrespect the lady just because she made a talk like that. Who is blood? And you know what? I'm talking straight. I don't care about me out under the fire you near you are the fuck you
Yo,
bitch.
no boy can't burn me out. No boy can't burn me out.
When I don't give
Truth
a
is
fire
truth and
you
right
near
is
you,
right.
fuck you are under you. I don't give a fuck. Who no give CMR them a platform? Who no is responsible for part of what I'm doing? Who no give them a platform and a fan base? Who no see the fuck and a giggle on a thinking mode? While there's a youth in the middle of it. Who no give them the platform? All of you are to be fucking blamed. Because if they are no fans, they will not keep up no fuckery.
I said thing. I see I'm something said to.
If them never did have fan base to give them a fan base to keep up bullshit and a parade and this little picnic on the media, the likes and gifts, this would have never happened. So the fans are to be blamed, brother.
Yeah.
Tell them to come for me. Tell them to come for me. Then we're on the TikTok. The TikTok is a very, nothing is wrong with TikTok. It's the use of it. See? Nothing at all is wrong with TikTok. And let me talk you again for repeat it. Nothing at all is wrong with TikTok.
People need to start use TikTok
The
and motivate other
use
people instead of the
of
fucking, man.
TikTok is the
It's a
thing.
platform where you can use and motivate other people. That's what they need to start doing instead of doing the stupid shits.
You see what me I say? Right? Nothing at all is wrong with this platform. Nothing. But these people who are on it, them play this halo overhead and wing pan back and white like a snow when them are the devil in disguise. Them are the wolf in the sheep clothes.
Yeah, man.
All them do upon this thing and then we say, that's time we say, man, we take away some of them money. Then the police are prostitute themselves and are disrespect people with kinds. Man, we take them, go juke them.
A long time. No matter what they do, some of them boys, they are like, yeah, man, a fly pan and go fuck them and them body wall on the weekend. So, not just you. They used to blood clot, new. How we learn that. We know that. And we see that. Yeah, man. And some boy can't say nothing in the room, boy. Like me say, man, real man is a real man, Because the real man, this woman, because more than civilization. And we have blood clot, know that from day one. So any boy we have to style woman and tell woman certain, we go suck your mama. You have to fuck all hog and goat to bush. Because they don't deserve pussy. Likewise, the name deserve the love of a woman.
Brother, the man, this empress, wicked enough. All the empress said, I don't know what's happening. I will not make a comment on it. Me have to hear the parts of the case first. It is in the courts. Let us not talk about it because it can lead to a compromise.
Simple,
Right?
she have her freedom of speech. Him not give her that.
Right? Now the child is a minor. Them have this little picnic name and fling all over social fucking media.
The parents
Right?
need to lock up them stink blood clot and charge them for them picnic character.
Seen? Yo, my brother. What going Alvaro?
So your question I'm asking, I don't hear nobody else.
Which question?
And that's why my friend not deal with me, because I'm born a fire upon him friend, So what
Oh,
really and truly go
seen.
on? So what really and truly go on? If you listen to what film friend video say, if you CMR friend say, CMR tell him say, now here, and then talk to him on phone in person.
Yeah.
He say him tell him say, if the little girl come over, come sleep. And the little girl is from Trinidad and his mother from Trinidad. That
Yeah.
means the same thing when a female house, A different person. This is matter about that from the police report, So that means that this man has to portrait of pedophilism.
All right, but
Because if I come out,
hold on now. All right, Alvaro, me gonna tell you the honest truth. I don't know nothing at all about them people. Understand me? I said
but
no.
you don't feel
And
like my friend, what say that?
all right,
My
what you
friend,
know? Hold on now. Hold on, Alvaro. Can we talk truth now? If me say to somebody say, all right, General, me don't know nothing about the case. I can't make an assertion nor a desertion. Allow me to listen and hear some more about this thing because it is in the court of law. Allow me to hear some facts surrounding it. Then I can make an assertion or pass a judgment. What right that statement have for you turn on a disrespect of Empress?
what me I said to you, the sign, everybody sign was there all along. I don't know sign.
Me, but hold on,
Alvaro.
Alvaro. I
But what if
blame
somebody
every
don't follow
I
the people
blame
them? You don't
I
follow the
blame
people them, so you don't know nothing
everybody.
about the case. So you cannot
I
talk about the case.
hold
Whether
on,
you find it fair, yes or no, is that everybody
Hold
watch these people. Because I
Alvaro,
never
I
watched them
don't
yet.
know nothing about these people. Hold on, no, no,
Empress,
hold
So the
on.
sign could have
It has it has
anywhere
it
and
has
everybody watch them.
it has become a TikTok soap opera. And I know all of we watch them something, yeah, brother.
that
Nothing we
your
know
question.
about it till case reach a court. But the facts still remain. It is in the court of law. How what right have we on the media to be banging around the child's name?
So me I go and tell you first now. You did remember when his wife can't go to court. When he matter with his wife, he go to court. But
I
she say,
don't know nothing
No,
about it.
Alvaro,
Listen,
Alvaro, you still
well,
not get it, brethren.
listen, me a say no rasta, you don't listen to me a say.
No,
you
but
say if
you
me
not listen,
remembered me, I tell
Alvaro.
you say I know nothing
You
about
don't
these
No,
know.
people.
I don't know
I don't
nothing
Alright.
watch
about
them.
them.
You
Nothing
will have no rasta.
whatsoever. Right? So guess what? The case is going on. Me would I tell you, say, brother, me don't know one thing about it. You are telling me something. I'm not saying it's a lie or it's the truth. But the
I know, Mrs. My
is,
friend, me tell you, her friend said that they are
no,
public knowledge.
no, if friend can't say that, but if friend cannot go
Even if a
get friend
public
too.
knowledge, I know everybody will watch them something they fi know what go on.
Look how much friend
I know
you have with
everybody, I
Sabine
know
Ever.
everybody people watching up. People have them fans.
Well, if you're not entertainer, you know, so it a reach to a wide spectrum of people, you know. I mean, if you come see if you
You talk
apologize,
something different. You are straight from the point,
Yeah,
Alvaro,
yeah,
or what you
what
want.
everything.
You are
point?
straight
What
from the
point?
point.
Alvaro,
Apparently,
Alvaro,
you come here to defend a cause.
the lady, see her, the
What is
Angie,
the
don't know
data?
what fuck all about
What
this
you mean
incident.
by? I
She
me,
don't
What
know
Mikey, you
defend?
talk
nothing
about.
about the
Defend
incident.
what cause? What cause me a defend?
You know exactly where you come about.
What this lady had to do? What this lady had to
Now
have? What
you
me a
come and
defend
tell
cause?
me about something, and me I tell you me no know about them,
Alvaro,
and you go on like
Alvaro, let us
everybody should have know
you
about
see
it.
that CMR case, eh? Me don't want to talk on my platform. Because all of the fans, them, every fucking fans is responsible for what happened to them. Everyone who know responsible. Because you know why? You don't give them a platform for blood clot play out them fantasies. All of the fans do it. Tell me see a lie me I tell now.
Oh,
Please.
yeah.
Tell me see a lie me a bomber clot tell. Uno on TikTok. Give the same man this bomber wall a platform to keep up fuckery. And when the fuckery keep up, all I know blood clot rejoice because I don't want soap opera to watch.
Yeah, immaculate.
And
Them thing.
a child is at the middle of blood clot all of this.
Yeah, man.
A
Every child
child,
life
a
matter.
baby is at the
Yeah.
center of all
Every
of
blood
this.
clot child life matter, yo. And that me say. Straight.
So every single fan of theirs, everyone who know is responsible. Because who no give them a platform for this thing play out.
Yeah. And that's
I
unfair.
mean not take by me talk because I don't know nothing about it. So if you're a man like really you go insult Angie and a disrespect lady, one call her an whore intelligently, and go suck out in
I'm
thinking
pretty
mother.
fast.
True.
Get about. Him was say a different woman.
About him, man.
And my daughter, the blood clot boy, this. My daughter. If you go push my dick in another daughter mouth. You hear me? When me get mad on this blood clot here, when
Pussy
you
them.
do, calm me down, cool, natural, easy. But he have this blood clot boy in a bomber clot box. He have the boy in a bomber clot box and prevent me from going in the blood clot box. Oh, I fear is that blood clot.
Same
Oh,
here, the
I
Mikey.
like some blood clot numbers in my look. And
Confederate.
when the boy
Mikey,
tell me
same
go
here, you
suck
see
out
them?
him, girl. What happened? And my bomber clot message, spearhead the meeting. Tell me if you lie me a blood clot tell. Tell me if you lie me a blood clot tell on social media. Tell me. Say lie me a tell on you. You in the blood clot flip box now and look and I listen. Me not hide nothing. Because I never you it happen to it up to me. You show me. Say you have blood clot preference. You don't read blood clot me. I show me that. I'm gonna kick back and look and listen and watch. When we look what you know. Fear times to come tell a blood clot lie. I'm gonna kick me out of the box, you and you blood clot Richards. And this woman I tell lie. You see him once say. Proof. No matter tell a blatant lie. Only if it's somebody here upon the next platform and laugh. How she make Reedy and you Richards kick me out of the box. I laugh. But you see, you never rate nothing until the trouble reach your bumbo clad doorstep and feel what me feel. When the boy tell me push my whatever my daughter, that's the time you know what time it is when me that feel. You're fuckery. And see the Angie tell you, she don't know the situation. So she can't make an inference. It's in the courts. And you disrespect the woman really. Move your bumbo clat and go.
Yeah.
Nobody can tell us how you wrong about what? Yeah, what?
You know God.
You're bumbo clat, God. I went since Union Jesus Christ. Who the fuck you think you is? The bumbo rascal at this
Not even
this
film
lady.
platform
And
depending
boy,
on my
nobody
thing over
can tell you say
caution
your
me
blood
there.
clot wrong.
Over caution me there, not even a film place.
Oh, yes, rascal, fire now, put up the lava now. This is the next thing. You got the people in place. Go sit down under the window and listen to the people and have a conversation. And then run go back by your platform like a bumbo class Spanish town girl and selfish. Go and discuss it. Is that a man behavior? Hold on. Is that a male behavior?
So that sound like Hillary.
Go over the people and platform. Go listen them. And then you gone chat. You're a bumbo clot boy. I want a pussy clot you take man for. A bumbo ass clot boy. I want the fuck you do boy. Nobody can tell you say you wrong. Oh, you can't apologize to nobody. Oh, on the Mikey alone. Yeah, Mikey too loud. Mikey cause this and that. And you accommodate a woman a bumbo clot tell life on me. Move your blood clot and go. When man get mad now, yes, boy, Mikey this, Mikey that, Mikey this, Mikey that. You can talk about caution. Come on, them say, yo, make the thing stay. It is in the courts. Allow it to play out. Make it work. Then I know what happened. And you a brand caution as pedophile, really go suck out your blood clot dirty girl them. You see one on your platform. When the fucking he, she come over there, you tell him, say, anybody this you, they get the equal or opposite. There's nothing wrong with that. You this Angie, wicked. Angie's write one note to you, and you get topsy-turvy. And you make call, you make tread half of that. Yeah, you're lesser than a blood clot man. Real man no behave so.
A man frame.
You can't do them something and this empress expects of we as people out there. So all we stand for something.
Most man?
Everyone we stand for something.
Up to madman I stand up a woman to blood clot. What is
Oh,
man?
rascal. Are you disrespect the lady like that? Oh, in disrespect. Oh, she said mention disrespect you them. Yes, my daughter too. You bumble rascal.
But
You
I want a
don't
fish in
fuck.
blood clot tongue, lock off in gill.
You have daughter. She is somebody else's daughter too. You talk about the woman, tell up the people, yeah. What kind of Batman statement them they make? Big man like you, and then you go on like so nobody can talk to you because you're Lord Almighty. But I see what you do. The Punko situation teach me everything I need to know. And numbers here, blood clot look. You
They
make
no
this.
stand for nothing. They no stand for nothing.
You not stand for fuck all. After me get the disrespect, right? You feel him. You blood clot really shield Punkus. I'm going alone carrying a box. I thought this blood clot grass mine. And me and my daughter this blood clot boy this. But until you tell about your bumbo clot mama and your woman, our part of them because suck. You never find it. It was a problem. It was never a problem. I mean, I rate your blood clot for that. I'm going it this, you know, I reach by your doorstep. What was your reaction again? Oh, Mike natural message. Along with yours. You know, rate me out. Man, show no respect, you know, rate bumbo clot me ever. And that show me. And then you can talk about you can choke caution of a social media. I went since you bumbleclad own all of them.
Because the man
And
am
since you own all the social media.
actually man am soak papa.
And my people, you know what? Have my apologies. Because if somebody not said this, it is not gonna be said.
Yeah, when they have to hide nothing, the truth shall set you
The
free.
name bar with no blood clot twin. I mean, all our bomber clot reading. I'm more year John in blood clot. I'm more experienced in life too.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot disrespect the woman like that. I expect everybody are happy with it. Because you have some blood clot or grass bite shitbag woman, I cheer you on as a cheerleader. You must be a man about it, brother.
Yeah. Man and man. When you're a child, you do childish things, you're a man, you put away childish things and be a fucking man.
It never did affect him when it did this me. And me, what was said, and then guess what now, no? When it reached for him doorstep, him get angry and why would do? When we not do me, I do everybody I could know natural, no school man, easy. Boy, no
Yeah,
school natural.
the
Nobody with
cycle
the natural,
change
no
pan him blood
natural.
clot, you know?
And this
I
boy,
change the cycle change pan him, you never expect the unexpected.
see, and this boy, all right, you know what? You see tonight, me not even talk and I kill up myself because I'm so blood clot relax talking. Because nothing when me talk is any fiction. Everything a facts. Every fucking thing a fact. And the more you talk the facts, and the more you look at it, you say, then what brother do this for? Eh? You insult the lady. You drive, bribe, this, you insult the lady. Read it. You disrespect her. Me no want you know if I no but no maybe no reason blood clot. Why? Because you disarm my youth. Everybody on the platform there and see her here. You disrespect Angie. See we like to the bomber clot alphabet aquarium grass mind disrespect. Whole collaboration on the nasty dirty blood clot. Never look on the junk and say, yo, you need to apologize to the Empress. And when everybody find out the lie, when them tell, up to no, nobody can come say, hey, because who are cheer them on? They see them bomber wall and we sit down and we live at evening time. Fear Thompson now want a blood clot them. That bomber clot, big swell up grass might looking blood clot. Yeah? Me can name out all of them blood clot too. Because you must think to me I idiot. No, so when the last they can click on that and go in and that and blood clots, everybody will illiterate pussy clot. Yo, them are going like people are done spreading. That's it, people can go back for the live and click on it and see who say what. Them don't no bomber ass clot.
Fire.
And you see, and you know, and these are the people who say, them is with you on your side. You have one of that coming on my back here, ear heaven. Every time I'm live, this woman sit down on my back. Go, follow me too. She start the live now. I'll see down in my box to get blood clot people so she can go to live. And sit down over there. Over in a people place. And I stab me in my back to you know, the big stinking so a bomber ass clot. When they put me live every night, you know. He's a fucking vampire. A bomber ass clot blood sucker. You're wicked woman. I feel a big bomber clock woman. Welcome. All right, Mike is all right. Whenever do not to know the woman I try a skim. A skim. That's my you know. Let me tell her that straight. I mean, with expect. Guess what? The lady have 2 accounts, take out one. The fucking aquarium grass mite. See, she take out that. See, this girl, you know. The lady come up for your next account, see the thing. Take a copy of the thing. Come on. Come on, my man, like, we are burning fire. He send one in grass mite, them come over the cost 5 pounds. Fine, you know that I go on. Him go attack. No, this is a fish. No, sorry, you don't take with a word. And him come on the life, say, warming wheel, button and beat him. Till him teeth blood clot. I don't in the public domain. He take away bank account, draw money and disappear, run. He gets much button into blood clot, he run from Jamaica. Me never ask him, I'm talking on the media. And when this boy disrespect this lady, I'm sick. But you know what the thing about this rat boy? This boy never vote for my political party not even once. Me left Jamaica 2010, come live in England, and before that, me vote 17 fucking times for my political party. And the blood clot she does them about to a man who never vote for my party. What, Mr. Pythagoras, Mr. Dalton, what the next what the Max Paskin's name for a long time? When you? No man, tell me man, because I'm going to send him this equation, more than solve it. Yeah, Mr. Quadratic, consult the equation for me. Because this no work. This just don't make sense. And when them carry on like this and them disrespect people, when them dis people, no brother. But where I talk about you are in my life, hey, TikTok. See there? Come off of my shit. Yeah. When them these people, seeing, when them these people, you know, and people decide, say, they might come back at them, you know. Seeing, right? We see the bun about rascal. Then turn kitten now. Them are roaring there and then turn kitten now. Ah, the boy Mikey cost too much bad word. Boy Mikey, him not the manners. No, a woman has me have. Me not none for no man. Go suck on herself. A woman has me ras have. Leave me the fuck alone. Clark. No man, you can't disrespect. G-Dub, bless up yourself. Hold up and love me, general. Me not stand with no boy we are this no woman. No shit house. Like a batty hole in Barnota. Me not stand up with no boy we are this no woman. No farm.
They needed help. You ask for help.
I'm very, very sorry, people, if me sound like Ray. I am comfortable burning the fire. Me have all brain food right now. I am very, very good. Right now, me good. When me say me good, me good.
I will trouble your father, Mikey. Jano. Bless the love. Enough respect.
Father G-Dub.
Thank you. Jano.
We start run with some batty boy we a cuss woman. Some shit bag when I rate the Empress them, brother. And I make trouble with the Empress them for no reason. And then TikTok go and let them one extra pussy apart from the cocky when they have, brother.
Jano.
Stop. They need to stop fucking around the woman them. For likes and gifts and bumble clap money. And they use people all the while to springboard themselves. Like them look fame and fortune. And you can't, nobody can call them out. They can't say sorry. Eh? Me will tell you because suck all your people and become on a blood clot manners. A woman as me have. Me have respect for woman. If the lady says she don't know about the thing. She's looking, I'm not time for watching a soap opera. But I blame every one of the fans. Because if the fans they never give them a platform, for them go out with their fuckery and their stupidity, probably it wouldn't reach here so with that child. Because the problem is, the child is at the center of everything right now. The child is a volatile one. It is important for everybody to focus on the well-being of the child. Them have the picnic name a dash up and down on social media. Everybody want square a blood clot point by discussing it. Me no want no more no blood clot soap opera. Fuck that. Oh, you know where I ain't no blood clot. Not even washing no clothes or nothing on the yard and not clean on the place. I give them people a fuel. Then how the fuel is fuckery. So much who turn audience for these people. And who is to be blamed for the youth? Anything happen to that child, everyone who has funds are to be blamed.
So tell me about the incident. What happened to the child? Tell me what going on with
Brother,
the child. Go
brother,
on. Which one?
it is in the G-dubs, it is in the court of law. Me I tell you straight, me don't know nothing about it because me no watch little picnic thing pan this race here. Me have big blood
You
clot,
talk
me
about,
watch baby things.
you talk
You
about
see
this
all a man
court
like you know G-dubs,
one.
me and you don't know nothing about it. Because them things are our thing to watch. We don't look on them little baby stuff. You see
Well,
me?
I mean,
Audience for them get, you see the
really can.
audience for them get, that audience cause them to create and do a kind of fantastical bullshit. And a child is at the middle of this saga. A child. And then social media shit house them now. Everybody want run with story of clout and when they call the same thing there, when they get universe and lion and all of these blood clot things. We perpetuate a story and a destroy one little picnic. And then the picnic probably not even want to look for the school now. Because our image has been ripped apart by this illiterate pussy hole on the media.
Kingman.
You
Yeah,
see it?
yeah, you hear
Yeah,
me, Kingman?
yeah.
People don't protect the innocent, you know. You understand? They're more focused on the pedophile than the innocent. Instead of them leave that conversation alone and make the court of justice deal with it, them just all over the media drag this minor all over the place. You understand? And them not think about repercussion of the actions that of their actions. The child don't deserve to be dragged. The child is innocent at the end of it.
Nobody, neither the child
To
nor
talk
the
about it, the more
incident.
out there.
Right.
No,
So don't give it too much
guess what?
tractions and let it go and make the court take its course.
Right, because we are make it seem like him guilty before we know everything was going because we story.
It just say,
So I don't know if the soldier guilty. I don't know what's wrong. But if the court take it up, something serious was said where we put him there. So here what no. We all have to just observe and see what the evidence and the people tell me.
You see exactly what you just said, and that me say a man I go call me
Caution,
Cheddar.
sir. And that
Me a
caution.
Cheddar. And me
Yeah,
Cheddar.
because we don't know how it going on. See, we really don't know. Because, like me said, I'm in America, right? There, so. And me talk to people in a different states. I mean, yeah, different sides. I mean, I say, you know what? That one here, one of them, when me I go take a bench pan, you know, me I'll sit down over here, so, and look, because, you know, you have people from all different sides. And the one thing where we look on is once the law come in there, decide them no matter again. It's all about
The
you guilty
process.
and
The process.
yes, the process you have to make the due process go on.
Go on.
Because when we say not presentable in the court to help either party. So for the sake of the child, that's why we need to just quiet and observe. And
Exactly.
if the brethren or your brethren or your family member or somebody will know you that good for you, just ease off of that too. Because remember, we can't try the case yourself without the facts.
That is but this not
Ah,
G-Dub. G-Dub. Me say you
Yes, sir.
rascal. Hey, Alice, me not have to say nothing. People, G-Dub, me can't tell them, sir. Me
Tell
can't
them,
tell
man.
them, G-Dub.
Yeah,
Eh?
man.
Me
Yes,
and them
I
man
tell them.
have served for years. No man I watch me train enough blood teeth soldiers. It's a smoke cigarette. When me smoke all 10 cigarettes, then say, hey, come here. Carry the soldier, carry the new soldier on a road run. Yeah? And when me carry them on a road run and come in and do exercise, and everybody else are dead and me turn up and say, yo, Me have this in my hand, see me, what I have to know? Look, get up. Me run with them, me do everything with them, my one heavier than them. See me, I make him tell you no. And when me come off my road, when me go back and me see on my light, I'm at around. The man say, hold on a little bit. You smoke 10, and then carry up a road and mash way up and come back on light another G'd up, see me. And some
Well, you
people
see,
think to me as some little blood clot purity around here.
man, the mental aspect of a person is greater than any physical capacity they can think about.
You got to
You
tell
know,
them,
you
man,
have
where
to
tell them
like,
every time
think.
that every blood clot. It no matter what me do in life, nothing can stop me from doing me plan with me
Yeah,
band to do.
when you make up your mind,
Yeah, man.
how you know, say, you know, yeah.
Yeah, man. Straight.
Mm-hmm.
Now
But
50 years old, I'm not
as
50
what
because
G
you
Dub just said, as what G Dub just
might
said,
be rusty to certain things.
we don't know nothing about the case. It is in the courts. Allow the court to be arbitrary in their decision making with this process. We have to wait on this process. Personally, me don't know none of them cockroaches there. I'm gonna give a shit to one big so I call them that way. Me don't know none of them. I mean actually no one know none of them. Because they're no role models for no young people to follow. But they have a fan base of fuckery. And that is what them cherish. And the
Well,
you know, because they have this fan base, then keep on fucking. Without the
well,
fan base, it's nothing. So I
me agree with you,
blame
man.
all of them, plus them fans, for
Me
whatever
agree with you,
transpire.
you know. But me still have stand up in a them defense because to me, they don't ask for the fame. It fall upon them. Because everybody join social media. If it happen, it happen. See, but they don't know how to really deal with it because it affect them regular life, same way.
Exactly.
And you can see, say the soldier, him incriminate himself.
Well, here, me no know nothing. Well, and that's how we all go back again. Me no know nothing at all
Uh,
about it.
that may I say,
Nothing me
well,
no know.
that part of the story not really come out yet.
All
But
right.
it was, I
But
feel
you know
like,
what? All right. You know what disturbed me about this about one little thing on me ear? There are people
yeah.
who see signs and didn't do nothing. Them is just as blood clot guilty.
Mm,
Yeah.
What? Oh, you know I saw this. Go suck your mama and go sit on one side. If you want to say you to get hurt, get keep in and stop it.
yes,
Yeah.
because if you see and say nothing, you're just as
You
bad as the
Yeah.
people.
fucking
Your team
guilty.
is just as bad as the rogue.
Oh, you mean?
Yes, yes, that me believe.
Just as
If you
fucking
see
guilty.
a child behave certain way, act certain way, chances are they can't talk to them parents. See? Because that's all the problem there. When you tell mama, you put the person in a jeopardy. So
Yeah.
you have a smart enough to know, say, you know, to be an anonymous person. See? Because in this life, you know, brother, some woman will close their eyes and compromise certain things, you know, and go on like they don't know, you know, when deep down in their heart, they know, you know, say the boy I tell lie, you know.
That
Them
happen every
things
day, man.
for real.
Yeah, yeah. Well, on you know, me welcome Empress D to the chat. Empress D, how are you?
Hi, my darling. I'm good. How are you doing? Well, I can hear how you're doing, but
Me know why you think me a exert or not. Me comfortable. And you
I'm
probably
glad.
hear that, right?
I'm glad.
But
I'm glad.
my concerns, are they genuine or not? I'm
Yeah, they're
asking
very
you from your
genuine.
standpoint.
They're very genuine because, unfortunately, whoever's doing what or putting what out, sometimes things aren't admissible in court, and it can screw a court case up.
All right. Hold on. Caution. Caution. Hold on. Caution, you don't see what Empress said a while ago?
Yeah, but me know, and that's why I'm upset because I tell them say whether man do not help the situation
Well,
or
it's
worse,
out
them
there
make it
already.
worse.
What happens is when there's a court case such as this,
Yeah.
um, the lawyer who's defending whoever, whether it's the guilty party or not, yeah, or prosecution can actually use that for their benefit. And that means that the person who's accused of the crime can walk free.
So realistically now. Them instead them look them a look
Because
on it. I said them a
it
do
shouldn't have got, if
something
it's
good.
gone to a court of law, it shouldn't be on social network.
Exactly.
See the woman explain.
Exactly.
When me I try to tell them, say just leave it, make the court deal with it, and them sit down on it
I will
every
tell you
single
this
day.
because I'm 10 years a barrister for Crown prosecution. So what I'm hearing is just unbelievable.
And they have this thing, I have this child's name, a blackguard all over the internet.
Right.
But it's
The
all
child,
speculation to me, though. It's all speculation because based on, what the actual case read, none of
yeah.
what being said on social media not really match. So that's why I'm like, keep
Even so,
saying,
if the child's name's been mentioned, right?
Nothing. Yeah.
no, not
Child's
that I
name's been
know. Not
mentioned.
that I
Yeah,
know.
man, over years up on social media, the child's name has been mentioned.
Mistake,
Or if a
Okay, I
picture,
mistake,
didn't see
mistake.
that.
Well, I know, mistake.
or if a
When
picture's
that
been
case,
shown or
in
anything like
when
that, it can hinder a case.
and when a case involve a minor,
Right.
does the police release a report on that case?
No, negative
No,
and say.
no,
Let me
you
tell
can't do
you,
that.
So
let me
how
The
them have
name
so
is
much
being suppressed.
information?
Police report a circulate.
let me just say this, right? Even the mere discussion of this right now,
It's a compromise.
right? Yeah, even the mere discussion of something like this, especially if it involves something which is being done to a minor, we all need to be mindful of how we deal with situations. And you know what? Not everything is to be used for clout, yeah, and likes and all of that. You know what I mean?
Qualities.
And we need to know better as a people. We need to know better. We need to,
So I mean, it just when what my thing about this war, I don't know nothing about the kid. Let me be straight with you, G. Me don't know nothing about this thing because you me stay, you see on them social media thing, them little soap opera, them not interested in them.
right.
You get me? All
Right.
right. No,
And also anybody who shares the information of something like this, be mindful that you can be charged.
you can be, of course, you can be charged.
It's prisonable. It's prisonable, especially when it involves a minor.
But it's the same thing caution I say.
Right?
Same
Not
thing
everything
caution I
is to
say.
be shared.
You don't see it.
It's
Caution
just
I
to be
tell us,
left where it
leave
is.
it. Leave it. Right? Because this is in a place where they are dealing with it on that level. Let it play out in the court of law. Don't talk about it. Leave it. Leave the child's name bread. And the man, the man like say, the man has said something wrong. See? And this dude there, oh, go on, like say, true, the man not agree with him. They said the youth a pedophile. Him uphold with things. That is the part we get to. Are you a big man? Brother, you need to fix up yourself, brother. Fix up youth. The springboard my thing, fear thing. Because when my thing happen, my thing actually never important enough. Yeah? When me come on your page, you block me from corner. But you have the man who deal with me like that in your block. In your life, brethren. The man with this my and my daughter you have in your life, youth. But me never important. No, my thing actually nobody. Until they tell me go suck your mama and your girl and everybody. Then what you do? You run for my thing, cause springboard by your thing for beat man. But I wasn't important enough for you to even think about doing it the first time. But am I that time in disrespect? Me why you can't tell me say I lie, me I tell. For that matter, why anybody tell me say lie, me I tell. Because that is how it exactly did. Me not add, me not take with nothing. But I wasn't important enough. But until it drop on your doorstep, you never see it important enough to do nothing for nobody. Because check it now. You have your life and you hardly ever even go on a man page, go hold a rems. And people come on your page, go hold a rems all the while. Or you have your selected few, where you go on them better than people. And your actions that speak louder than your words, youth. Sorry. I don't think you see your involuntary actions playing out. You're done as fuck.
Mr. Man, oh
When
yeah, you boss.
they done no G, they say Rasta that Rasta not no sense. And them boy have no qualification like me. And I walk and I disrespect people too. Man might chat patois all the while because some of me hold my rems. If I'm going to do a lecture, it's standard English language, straight through without itch.
They don't understand that, Jamaica. They don't understand leadership. Leadership is being able to listen to your furthest away companion and follower and make sense of it. You know? Because if you're not able to do that as a leader, then you ain't gonna be effective. You know?
Rasta.
The
Rasta.
rest the crazy man always teach them, You know the story about, you remember the story about the madman and them a trying to go under the bridge?
Yeah.
Look at Jamaica, that happened,
Yeah, man.
Everybody be a genius, but the truck like 2 inches too high. Cannot go under the bridge. And they both, stumped, don't know what to do. And the little madman on the roadside in dirty clothes. Just look on them and tell them, say, hey, if you don't let out the air out of the tire, you can drive over this
I
one.
drive on the just let the friggin'
You know what I say? And that's why when a person make a suggestion to me, I always stop and be like, wonder why they say them things or why they make a suggestion, because it's never too far outside the box to look at it. Trust me, you know? Guys,
I tell a brother, but you see like that madman now, they have him say my madman, remember, Oh,
yeah,
my, yeah.
you don't know nothing in a for them book.
When the man just say, yo, don't let out the ear to tell, let out some of them, some of the ear, man. We don't have
And you get across that.
4, you have 4, 4, 8, 8 and 4, 12, and you have 14 wheel on the blasted truck. Yeah?
Right.
You let out
Guess
some ear. Out of
you
some
don't
of
have to
them.
let out all of them because only two
Out
inches you
all of
need
them.
and the weed is about four. You know?
You see it? When them would have
Mhm.
fast, I say, try my madman, you don't know nothing.
Oh, but he's seeing it from a different perspective and they're not
Exactly.
looking at it like that, you know.
So
And
that's
it's
like the
always
thing
good
at
to sit
nine.
and look
Go on,
outside.
guys, go on.
No, the man go as far as set, right? On a public, on him platform, and put up a video. Oh, and the man down in the anti-personal life, and I
Yeah.
put allegations on the woman, say she they were each up a young boy this and she have a husband and kind of them something. So now you are try this woman alive now,
Done.
She have a
You did
husband now
that?
and you go put out video like that now. If her husband go see them little something they know for create problem in her life, not where you not have no facts about umbre. Cause you have follow some little girl mix up and chattings virgin.
Yeah,
And
and he won't call himself a blood clot man.
what kind of man that be? That kind of man, brother. You know, follow woman argument. When woman come to you, Cass, you allow that. You fucking allow that. Mix up that name. Woman ever try to mix up things. You know, follow woman argument. And you
But
take it. You know,
what is he
easy.
what
You
is he doing
can't
in his private life?
listen, Mike, him can't tell nobody says a man come to him and tell him that. A woman thought that. All that thought woman age. And oh, you don't have a husband? Why you don't? And all of them bumboys say you're not a woman. You're not a fucking woman. You're not a pitney if you can take care of. You sit down on life all day too. Just like any other person who sit down on the life all day. But them have responsibility and you don't have no responsibility. A man with same father, 4 children.
Oh,
Four children.
me love little boy. Just so I me itch up over little boy place every day.
But look,
I mean, he's
you
a
itch up, all
predator.
right. You
And you
it
can
know
what?
what I'm saying. So in
Predator.
that man,
Cause I
in
love
that
little
man,
boys.
and woman itch up
Mm-hmm.
on film life. Him and the whole of them there. Him and all the
But
people that
him
itch
not
up
him not
on
talk
film
it like
life.
upon
You know what
nobody
I mean
live.
there?
Me there in a mic. Him say me itch up a little boy. Please. That mean a them yard me there. Because me's a predator and me love little boy.
So
Yeah, yeah, that statement
him
there.
see you
That
turn
statement
predator
there.
upon nobody?
That statement there. Yeah, that statement me fuck up for true, man. Me never look
Even
on it that way.
fuck up
You know,
And
statement.
so me look on it because him don't say me itch up on nobody live. Him say me itch up on
yeah,
them
never say.
place.
Yeah, yeah, you never say
Little
lie.
boy,
It's a play.
please.
Then look how much man they on film live the whole day every blood clot
That
day.
means that me
You not
take them
fuck
to
them?
right now. I'm glad we come out for that live that I never know so when they on people live you and them there. So all that man them and woman with the on film live from start to finish, man, the whole of them there.
Exactly.
Cause we don't need to call name who each up on film live. But it's a couple people no matter what, rain, storm, sunshine, them there.
I
Them
just why the
there.
one coming at the box a while ago
Yeah.
I try to justify whatever him say. And I try to make it look like me know about the story. You come here for defend a cause. You know, come push word in my mouth.
Yeah.
You see gone.
So I didn't have to tell you what to do, Angie, did I? They say go on. You don't want none of them round here. If you can defend him, now come round here. Anybody put a empress at danger is not a Ras man.
So the man typing in the comments saying, here yo.
Him
Of
hear
course,
you.
that's
Yeah,
so
just
who
want to
know
make sure
fucking
make
what.
say Mikey see him there in the comment.
Yes, of
I
course.
guess
Every time him blood
probably
clot fuck up.
I guess him figure more than let's say that try talk for not make him hear, you know?
What? Yes,
The life
sir.
no must be private.
Me all on
Yeah,
him
yeah.
blood clot. Number one, me all on him. Secondly, when me da walk with me long slingshot them. I told a blood clot make sure say him have a life he live at Jamaica. Him a little Ras boy for me.
From me see that one they enter the life, me know say I come behind.
After,
Yeah.
after but all right. The man Miller friend. Miller depend in live and talk some sitting against the opposition leader in front of all of we are so. One way would have do to him and a whole heap of things in front of all that nasty shit house to you know. And the whole of them, I go and like say this boy have a right to go masquerade as a media person and carry a microphone to go talk to how illiterate and dunce and fucking fool these fuckers are, bro. They put up public media and destroy the man and talk all kind of things about the man. And you go purport now. Play say you a media man if you go try get interview. Yo, them something they are security risk it up. Brethren, let me tell you something now. When you realize how a serious breaching go on with, you just want to take a second and think, you know. In the pandemic media, you know. I'll talk all kind of things against the opposition leader, you know. And then go be an imposter. As if he's a media. You want to be blood clot. No, sir. The more me all talk, the more me afraid I to Ross. Am I talking bullshit, people? Wanna tell me? Am I talking rubbish?
No.
Some man for us love woman vibes, brethren. Some man for love woman bumbo clap
But
vibes. As
hey,
a man
Mikey,
really love woman.
Mikey, a real trace me in the video tell me all me tough, you know, a woman
Yeah,
tough, so, you know.
yeah, the man. Listen. Well, I don't a woman thing him a pick up, man. And me
A
smile
woman
and everything.
alone trace, so.
Him a pick up a woman, well, a pick up. Probably him done a woman from a long time. Just that no masters a fall off and face.
Wait, say he jump out of the cabinet now.
Yeah, man, him jump out of the closet now, man. Him forward out of the closet and I show him real self because as what me say, if a woman do deal with you no kind of way or disrespect you personally, you will not attack that woman in a non-formal way as a respectable person.
Okay,
You check,
B.
you
All right.
come and you start talk about the woman itch up a boy place and all them kind of something now. Spread false information. because you hear from a woman. It must be a woman tell you them kind of something there now. And true, because you are the major mama lash now, and you are the team and the voice. You come out now for talk, for ear to them woman, they will come to you with a bag of rotted mix up. One purpose bag of mix up, them come to you with now. For you come out,
God.
find life to come talk and them something and feel like a something good you are do. What make the people them will tell you that about the girl never come talk out of them own mouth. Anybody will tell you that you should make them come talk out of them own mouth because you love talk about facts and you know this and you know attack people personal, this and that and everything. What facts? You have said woman at each of a people place, and even if you don't mean people place, yeah. She depend on my life. But me see people each up on your life. So they say what goes to the goose, goes to the gander. So that means say you and the whole of the people each up on your life there.
Them in a
That say, because she depend on my life. You have people over film life as you start them there. Till it
And
end.
I put them alone in a box for hours. So that means I'm man.
Yeah, that means that, yeah, them there. All of them. Both male and female.
Where say, Iman did your friend?
Both male and female.
Lord God.
What proof you have or facts you have for where you are going to talk about the lady bird chain?
Brother,
And all that woman that you where you should have like respect for because she never disrespect you. You say she make a statement where you not like. Well, that is fine.
Angie,
So why
you know your
personal personally?
Me no know him. Me no know him. Me
you
only
know
know
your
him like when Sasha go over there.
throat.
I don't know,
That's
man.
not the target. You want
Yeah, but
somebody
watch
to
now,
answer.
him I gonna target me, you know, because watch now, him come from a life with him friend when named Miller. I'm always talking to him friend. And Miller is not my friend. We are political rivals. And watch this now. Miller wanted an interview with Mark Golding. I'm go over there and say, big man, let me tell you this, man. Mark Golding never give an interview. And he put up Mark Golding picture, boy, I beat Mark Golding. And I said, fuck, what you mean, boy, I beat Mark Golding for that? You're mad, man. Mark Golding can select who to do interview with him, having people him do that. Him don't know personally who I gonna do an interview. Plus, as opposition leader, them have to screen anybody where I gonna deal with this man. So probably them don't say Miller as the right person to actually go up to this man and speak because based on him political platform when him talk derivative things about the opposition leader and for security concerns they might decide say listen, this man is not fit to talk to the leader.
Of course.
I come
I
from
don't hear
platform
him
and
do
tell me
whole
like say me shouldn't agree. Mr. Big Man, I agree with them for not make Miller speak to him. Me agree. Because some things when me hear Miller say out time out, me personally wouldn't not even in the place Miller wouldn't sit down if I was head of the security.
Miller is a fucking security risk. How we talk truth and done on the ground, no corner, brother. The man
Miller
is
is
a
a Kermit.
security risk.
You understand what I say? And but me know say from this so the boy a pyramid underneath style now because remember, Miller I'm friend.
Then I see a Miller diss me on him platform already, man. I don't know blood clot, nothing.
No, I'm Mr. Cole.
I'm Mr. Cole. Mr. Cole. You know Mr. Cole say.
Apologize.
Mr. Cole say.
Apologize to no boy.
Mr. Cole say. Mr. Cole say. If I was your parent, I would have disowned you. And Mr. Cole never same parents to disown you. Mr. Cole said, if I was your parent, I would have disowned you. And then jump on Mr. Cole. I mean, I say, what a illiterate dunce piece of shit them people here.
But
I didn't run with it. Sometimes I must apologize.
When Miller said, time more before Mr. Cole talk, said them have to win the election by any means necessary. You find that to be a threat.
And the man in there,
the boy, though, I grin off him teeth. I'm upset because I say, oh man, to set up on your platform where you say you deal with peace and this and right and diplomacy and all them kind of something about a man. mention a speech like that and you know checkmate him and say, big man, yo, me not like that style.
Blood clot into
That
fucking
statement
hole.
there. No. But when Mr. Cole say when him say, you run go attack Mr. Cole, but Mr. Cole come apologize.
Yeah. Yeah.
You understand what I say? Me just go and look in the brother and me observe, but you see, me blame myself, brethren, because I should itch up on some people like, brother.
No, man, we all love in life, man, because you can't
You understand what I say? I got send, but him see you. Him see you.
What? So I mean, I don't want no
brother.
Hold on,
Go on for your life,
tell Reedy, say, I pussy me fuck. Please. You don't carry
Yeah,
public
not
service
bad.
announcement. I pussy me fuck.
And
Me no
not
blood
Umbrella
clot, no
tell me
man.
now, say. Me for open my camera. Him want see me. Big man, go see a fucking woman, brother.
yeah, I got fuck a good.
Fucking out
I
of
tell
us.
you, fuck a
Admire
good.
me picture.
You're taking a picture as much as you want. It's a blood clot grass mite.
Yeah, tell him to go fuck a goat or a cow.
Then I must say that he must say I do about things. See me. When your blood clot, you think me hide and talk? You fuck up this time. You disrespect the lady.
So you still in
Fuck
a
up this
life?
trip.
I
And
mean, I
nobody
like it
can
for
tell
that. We call
nobody
you
can tell
double.
him thing wrong.
For you, man. In the pan for you, I watch.
If I'm fire, you are
Somebody
fuck
must have
you.
watch and listen, man. That a pain blood clot business, you know.
You could have
All
whipped
in
up
the
on the
meanwhile,
fire,
you
you
know.
are the fuck, you are the bumbo clot here. You be a
Look at
man
the
to
fuck you.
people. Blood clot to not talk about. Who gives a fuck if you want to fuck you? You stay there. Or if you see the Empress are go like you know this and then you go blood clot, gaslight the situation. Like the woman do something. Eh?
Well, Jamaica, someone don't know how to deal with the man, you know, remember that, you know, so,
Me tell you,
you
really,
know.
man, them boy, they take a
Yeah,
jar
that
of a
that
line
that
and smelly.
you can't do blame him, man. Yeah, that's why he's still there around, you know, cause he get to learn a lesson, you know. So he still try to listen how to
No.
Them boy,
fix
they
it.
take a jar of a line and fuck you and smelly, man.
Yeah,
Man,
Yeah, man.
G-Dubs, you know Mikey Natural from military days. You know the type of person that I am. Yeah?
See,
Me not do things and me not make movements unless me sure what me I do. You know me, brother.
oh
yeah,
yeah, so man.
you don't know, say,
See?
how we say equal rights and justice from day one, and we know that.
Me
So
teach,
we not go
me
defend
lecture
for the
to
blood
people
clot
older
shit.
than me, younger than me. Me teach people older than me, younger than me. Me
Yeah,
talk to
because you
people.
do research.
Mikey General. Mikey General.
Yo,
Yo,
yo.
what you pray now? What you pray now, no? Come me there, me a listen, I tell the truth, me like all and I sleep, me there, me a hear this a ringing, and my blood clot, you see?
Zin.
What you know, no? We have to try to find a way to reboot this, see? At the end of the day, you know, and what me I say, you know, me I say, me I say, everybody have to agree with me, see? And me I say, see?
Yeah, man.
At the end of the day, we hold away the over here, so see?
Yeah.
Whether to them platform, to the platform, see? We have to try to find a way now to reboot this. And the reason me say, Libra, they love when them thing are going.
Have nothing to do with politics,
No, this is not
Leo.
This is
politics.
not
This
a
is
It's
not
not
politics.
politics thing,
politics.
yo.
This is not
No,
This
politics.
not have
No, no,
nothing
no,
to
no,
do
no.
with
This is not
politics,
This
you
politics.
is
know.
about some
And it's not
pussy.
politics at
No,
all.
this is not
This
This
is
politics.
have
from
not a
behave like
thing
a
to do with
man.
politics.
I know politics is Leo.
This is
no,
not politics, yo.
They want to pass
me
politics.
It's
understand, you know,
about
but me I
man
say,
for respect woman.
Yeah, but this not have
at
nothing
the
to
end
do
of
with
the day,
politics. Fear make politics cause you finna talk your mind.
Angie, you know, if me pick up on the gun and defend, like, me pick up on the gun and defend everybody else. So, no willing to go do it, because all
Me
away,
know that
Man,
there,
there, so.
but
no,
yeah,
we
say
know that. We
politics
know.
and this not have nothing to do with
This
politics.
has nothing to do with politics, my general. Nothing at all. It's just that there's an individual who seem to
No,
have it.
me not say one of the top venture. Me not say one of the top venture. If a man to get burn out, a man will get burn out, you know. But at the end of the day, still, we still have to think about a way to
All
reboot this.
right,
You understand me? I say,
Yo,
Yeah,
but that man
yeah.
can never think the point deal with
Give
the
too much
woman that way.
energy,
If
like,
he
give too
think
much
this gonna reach him.
energy.
Remember, you know, what goes around have to come back around. You know. Cause if him think twice before he did that to a lady, this won't reach him now. So you have to give Caesar what due to Caesar.
if you notice,
I say, brother, as a
You
Leo,
know,
people,
remember say, me
you know what,
never
hold
dey
on,
pan
this fight,
read
you
the
know,
live, Leo.
up to
And me
this
and
fight,
Cash and them over there talk, and him say him come and I listen for 25 minutes before he come in on the live.
me
And we really go
understand what
on him
you
page, got talk, him twist everything what we say,
me understand.
we get likes and views. And then him diss me up. And then when me comment and that, him behave like say, him are the victim.
hold on, Cosmo.
And me
I
shouldn't
don't
say
see
what
that
me
name
say.
there. Block.
All right. Well, you know the reason why, Angie, you know the reason why me come in and say this, it's from today, and everything I go on, see? Me never ask nobody, me come like a dope in this now, me never ask nobody what I go on now. Cause it's like, me don't really find an interest, fuck with, but me don't find an interest, like, see? If a man this and you have this in back, you have to go fucking this. You understand me? Cause, and a mother and father have been where they do that, so see?
Big up with your God.
Mother and father different from sister and brother. Sometimes you have to thump your sister in the mouth. You know
What
himself. You
you mean?
understand me? I say.
So life go, so life go. Because the Bible say if we can't agree, we have to disagree. The two of them no mesh. If we can't agree, we have to disagree. But either.
But, Bubbler, you see when you blatantly disrespect somebody in the eyes of other people, and I go on like say you have a right to disrespect or you are the big man and push up your blood clot. You see, we should, one marble will take off that bumper clot.
Yeah, man, you know right. You know right, yo.
And then Mikey, him not talk what me say, Him just keep saying me a predator.
A fuck with
And
that.
this here show people caution a pedophile and me a predator.
A fuck with that.
Yeah, man,
No
right,
talk
man,
about
but
say.
yo, you should have sued him for your character.
No,
What is this?
them they are data
And leave
different.
that
That's
What,
the
dirty
what,
thing.
what,
man.
what
I
is
say,
this?
if a
What
man come
limited?
forward and say, well, you know, me have exercise against you, and make a deal with the but see, but
But
the
him
tone
not
would there.
supposed
If you
to
know,
say
if you
nothing
not
at
tone
all
would know,
because I wasn't
that's why I
talking
mean
to
to me,
him. I wasn't talking to him and I wasn't talking
thank you.
about none of him family members. So him not have no reason to talk to me about it.
Yeah, man, you should have charged a pussy there for your character. Any name when him call, you should have charged the pussy hole for it.
No, but only them alone no lawyer, no big people, and no this and no bumbuck like that. Only them alone no fucking
Because
people.
a stain that him a put on you, if you charge him for your character.
Yeah?
If
Only them
Although
alone
me
if
have
if
no
he
friend
if
go
people.
he
as
might be
far as to
throwing
say,
blood clot
Mikey,
money, if you go fund you for your suing thick
love
blood
little
clot.
boys, so me have mental problem. Me need to come off of social media and go take
Not
it right.
man.
I him
You know,
have
to me,
mental issue
the,
because
like
him
how you make
father
a,
used
you see,
to
like how you make a
molest
video,
him.
like how you make a video, you know. If you call it out of the name, you can sue him right now. Yeah,
Yo,
man, the truth. If
you
you
can
make
sue him
video,
blood
that
clot. That me I
Two
tell you, your
video I
character
make,
stands out.
two
yeah,
video
yeah,
I
yeah,
make
yeah.
for
You
me.
can do that any at all you have to do a screen record. You have to have your
Me
evidence.
download them, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
You
man.
know, you know, you
Mikey,
know boy,
Mikey,
man.
you see, here's what me say.
That's public
Here's what me say,
apology.
Mr. Mikey. You
You
told me no, me time.
discriminate the boy,
You know, me
discriminate him.
not
If you
support.
charge him, make him pay for it.
Yeah, man, he can pay for that.
You see, because me know, say,
Does it
no, no,
know you? He
no,
don't
this man
know
no bumbo
anything
clock
about
body type of man, this me.
he don't know anything about you and anything he
So me
said
not.
and
He don't
call it
know
out of
nothing
your
about
name.
me. Me no
Yes.
know him. Him no know me. I come in,
That's
come
what
from
that's
Caution page and here we talk.
The
right.
man, that
So
come like the
basically
man come on your yard,
the
come
man
sit down
here
and they
won't
win
know
and listen to the
what action he
conversation.
wanted
And
to
listen
with
to
that
the
situation.
grind.
Yeah.
You get me? And then he go back a film place to go laba like then girl you sell blood clot
Yeah.
fish from a
You
blood
know,
clot
say,
furniture.
Mikey, say, I don't think Angie ever going in box yet.
I never go in a box yet. Never yet.
Hmm.
Me
Never
not give a
going
fuck
in box.
about me here. Me here, you can't, am I hiding?
Yo, like
But
me say, if
God,
you use a pussy as your example,
no, do you not swear
charge him
man
for your
to me?
blood clot
Brother,
character.
He's still
brother,
in the
Bubbler, you swear
FYP.
man to me.
He
Bubbler,
commented on the FYP.
Yeah.
yeah.
He make a
Right
video
there, let me find him.
and
Let me
put it
find
up.
him.
You need to read it,
Him,
R-E-I-D-Y.
I
Yeah,
need
man.
read it with a Canadian flag.
With a
Yo,
Canadian blood
yo.
clot flag.
Find him. We got the message to you.
Because G-Dub, you don't know how the network wide in on that G-Dub.
Yeah,
Who
man.
are the
And
little
keep on
pussy
telling my
attack and
sister,
they don't know the levels in a brother.
send it through TikTok. You can get a cease and desist. You see what me I deal with TikTok? We have a deal with him too. You understand me? Because you can't discriminate.
Yeah,
And
man, if you touch
if
a
you
pussy, then my girl. Yo, remember me tell you, you can't drive a Benz out like stink pussy. Like you see that with dirty water, you splash up in stink blood
if you
clot.
listening,
Hold
read
on, hold
it.
on,
If you
hold on,
listening,
hold
The
on.
man you have your listen. The man now the money
Answer.
to go pay up the lawsuit there. Me not
Go
sing a
prison,
word.
go prison, because you fuck with the wrong set
Hold
of
on
people.
there. Let me,
You do your time.
answer my brethren. Russell Neely, big up and welcome. I'm glad to see somebody have a cry peace. But we have to make an example of somebody who love
Yeah,
discriminate and denigrate women around here. You see, we
yeah.
know Russell Neely. Let me tell you something. There's nobody me love in my life like how me love my old lady.
I will
Until
tell
the
you,
day
sir.
she pass off. So you want no Russell Neely. When a man blatantly disrespect a woman, in the way where him denigrate her character as O'Neilly, he
In the
deserves
pay
to be
feet.
called
In
out.
the pay feet.
You have a pay for it.
How you mean?
You see, if we as men stand up and make this happen and we not say nothing, we are
It's just
bullshit.
as bad. That way it's not as bad.
So we
Because
have
like
to
I said,
call
before
out
you
these
receive
things
like
when they
just as
have
bad as we go.
Russell Neely. Because I can't hear a lady a walk on the road and a boy this we as man will stand up and stop that.
What you
Who
mean?
the man who blatantly come for the lady because she don't know nothing about the thing. It's in the court. Make you listen and hear what I go on. And you come for the lady. I want make him. I want a Superman in name suddenly. A fuck green keep up.
boy.
Yeah, man, you go too far.
He go too far, brethren. But them money no like when nobody call them out when them do wrong.
You go too far, yo. You go too far.
He go too far, brethren. And when he diss the woman and call the woman names and make video on the woman write one thing. He hit him so blood clot hard. A one whole day in chat panic.
Ah. That
See,
woman find in blood clot weak spot.
when you go to
Touch
the
it.
level of making a video, brother, when you go to the level of making a video,
Cross God.
when
Brethren.
you go to the level of
I
making
deal
a
with
video,
people
that
like
shows
that, brethren.
how
You would
dangerous
like
a
what
man
it is,
is.
sister and
A
mother that.
propaganda man that.
You would like if somebody do his mother or his sister that.
You wouldn't
Or when
like
And
it.
then
a
here
daughter will grow up that.
certain things when you go a war, you know, do. Me and you not in on a war because me no know you, me never talk nothing about you. Me never dep
War.
on your page.
So, and that then
When
they
you
come
talk
and tell
about
us some
certain
war
things in
people,
a
say
war,
people
you
like
leave
blues and
out.
war people.
Yeah, man,
Because
they
of
come
the
by your page
situation that
to
we
watch
living
and
on.
people like a
The
bitch.
fuck, man?
Then who a request? Then him, you must say, me no want him for my bumbo clot live.
Oh, I see a man.
Why was reading for me? For which
Oh,
live? The boy sell me out. Him sell me out. Him this
Tell them,
me pan film live. Have the blood clot boy when this me in a box. Oh Mikey, me not gonna take you up and say, you know, because me know it talk me the one in the box. The same man that this me about my daughter.
So
I'm
send
feeling
him a
telling to go
request to what? To
snuff out him
explain.
over
None
anyway.
of them to explain Cosmo.
yeah, we
Him
don't need
done
no
say what he
explanation,
must say
but you done
already.
fuck
Him
yourself
done say
already.
what he say
Him
already.
done say what he must say. Him put up
Him
him post, him
disrespect the
talk
woman.
on him live and everything.
Yo,
He go click
if a
like
message him and tell him
people.
say apology is not accepted.
No apology around here. Because I'm not a blood
Apology is
clot
not
man.
accepted.
Him use me. Him use me.
But the thing about
Yo,
it, the whole thing about it, you know,
yo.
if it a go take this, you know, for your man to tell me sorry, you know, might as well
yeah,
just
you
make a fight
already.
and
You
done.
already with him
Yeah, that me I say.
apology,
I say
brother.
thing me I
That
say.
me
The
say.
thing is, talk
And this
about it.
want to
I
the
have
blood
seen
start
him
going.
already.
Reading
Every man
have
is
to come and
place
clear
where
no name Cosmo in talk it and him said that him say. He's a dirty woman and a that him say. He's a predator and a that him say. That's what I'm saying. I'm
Right,
video them. Go on
right.
on him live and you see. Go on him page and you see the video them when him put up on it.
You this the
Man,
woman,
Then
right.
let
man.
everybody see.
You disrespect the woman because she
Yeah,
don't know
man.
nothing about it. You this the woman really. With a go.
Yeah, man.
Be a bumbo clock man about the thing. You can't talk about me, you see me. Go fuck off and go. Yes,
Are you
man.
black? Are you black yourself, Papa? You black yourself. No, but you can't. You have to take your own sin and you blame your. You do that to your own self. Cause you're blood clot, man, and you have to know the difference.
You know yourself, man. You can't let this woman there with them. A real man tell about what you do it and I say nothing. And nobody can talk to you because you're big and mighty. Move your bumbo cloth and go.
My team bomber
And then the
clot. You forgot
whole
your
of them in the
slings at
comments, you know,
and stone
Mikey.
David
The
kid go
whole
like
of
my
them in
team
the
pussy hole.
comments
That's what
are
them boy
agreeing
they
with him, you
gone.
know, because guess what? Him twist him story for fit theme purpose. So the whole of them in the comment agree with him.
Yeah,
Then
because
come
them licky
on.
licky.
Oh,
Because the
Andy,
fuck of
Andy,
them have follow him
Andy,
licky licky. The one them
remember
have
say
follow
the
him
same
licky
thing the other
licky.
boy did. The same thing the other boy ain't doing, you know. Same thing the
Yeah,
fucking other boy ain't doing, you know. When he call a Paula with name, you know. And nobody know that said
yeah.
nothing about him, in man, you know. When he call
Yeah,
Paula.
man.
Cause even me go there, me just say nothing, me just say, yo, me just say, you know, say me over such place, everything come out there and me say nothing. And him me, man, I burn me out tonight, and I'll contact about who, I me body. So, yo, me hold him bumbo clat all night, man. I tell
Boy,
you,
they have a
yo,
body
can't
to
you
you.
come on and yo.
But Leo,
If me
Leo,
hold him,
The boy say all the way. We have the caution sign.
we over there. Yeah.
All the blood clot way. Anybody else with the caution sign? A problem people them. Another
Okay.
blood clot big stinking sour boy got talk. Hey boy, you know how you know me, man.
I'll make sure you sign on the.
Brother, those are the fuck the way I keep up brethren. See?
Stop, no?
Them a go on like say, uncle, a them run media. You tell but you tell caution but you make sure they run him off. No man, no. My brother me under he come like that brother and understand no man. Irish marsh, linseed, blood clot, moringa, merengue, spirulina, oats, cinnamon, me good man. Now man, my blood pressure not reach man. I try to know, to me comfortable about the fire. Yeah. Eh? Because if me make it race to blood clot, it gets scotch when there. I'm a fucking grass.
Mikey and I work later.
No man, me not work
Your
there.
mighty one. Your ear say you know if you come here and come in no comment section, come here so like that. But go along your bed, man.
We
No
tell
one,
him
none
no
of
come
them,
over
brother.
here, you know.
None of them.
You see
With
to
the
auntie.
jail him say
Auntie,
no
you believe me
come.
now, say anywhere me there.
Him
Anywhere
have
me
to
there, you
read.
know. Mighty one, find me.
Yeah man, and Sassy
One
Perilla
woman
in
that
it,
was
brother.
got.
Sassy Perilla in that one. You
Yeah,
fuck.
so me
Mikey
know say you
call
have
up
a
here
real
to
friend,
work,
Mickey.
man.
See that? See that? Well, another one of me I go drink now. Me sure no me I drink now. Okay. That one I know. This alright. This. Wanna look, That
Mikey and his sister Mikey a distraction.
Hey, Mikey. Look
no.
like you want some leaf for life now.
Um
You can go on there, mighty one. You can go on. Fuck.
more some chain root, man. Chain root more of a boil. We cut up and
One in your
boil
bed,
and
man.
get some coconut milk and boil it and drink that.
Canada, me live Massa. One leaf of life to your morning time. I'm good, you know?
No man, but
Manners and honors drink of people.
Russ O'Neal,
Well,
what I'm general.
my day I know my family.
Russ O'Neal, me know where you ask, but you see, man, you see that tonight, me tell myself, say that fire, have to go burn. Because you know why Russ O'Neal, too often these guys are disrespect the Empress them, right?
So,
And when them
so
this the Empress, what them do? Whenever the Empress fire a shot, guess what?
mm-hmm.
Ingo ball.
Play Vic.
Yeah, cry wolf and ball out. Gaslight the situation. Big stinking sour ass man. Claim say you
So
run
in
back
other
so
words, he's blaming her for something that she has never said. Then,
thank you
Yeah.
very much.
okay. Let me say this to you still. Let's say more time. Some of these people, I go through a wall of things, yeah. And the energy. That's why sometimes I go upon certain people live, because there's some energy, and not going on those kind of energy at all, because you have to be careful of the energy that really actually comes in your surrounding. You get me?
But yo, the energy to
And
make it these people, especially a
no.
woman.
Hold on, my bro. I'm gonna try to say to you, sir, you have bad energy, you have good energy, my family. You have some people, them just set out to always to be negative, you understand? They just
Mm.
want to hear something to twist it for them own way and try to bring you down as a person. You get me? And these people, you have to make sure, so boy, you stay away from these people because these people are not so good in their headspace.
Then toxic, man. Fucking
Very toxic. You understand? And there's a lot of people too on this web because I say, even with CMR issues, when have a lot of people are crucifying, but nobody know exactly what happened. You get me?
That's all I said. That's
G.
what I
Nobody
said.
knows
Brother,
exactly what happened.
Rasanile,
Okay?
that's the same thing what you just said, and the same thing the Empress said.
Because exactly because everybody has speculating and array, but no one knows exactly what happened. So
And
sometimes in that case you have to give and take. You know
you
what I
know what
mean?
it is for, you know what it is for me though, Rasanile? Eh?
Yeah.
The child that's in the middle of this fucking saga.
That is it. And the biggest
That
thing that
is that is it for me, you know.
that
The
is the biggest thing.
psychological damage. What's gonna happen to
Because
this child
you know the
growing up?
first to begin with still, you know the first to begin with, me no know, as I said before, me no know exactly what happened, but I would blame him because of him get himself in that kind of situation. Him end up in that kind of situation because of him.
Well, here what? Me
You
gonna
know
tell
what I
you,
mean?
me gonna tell you who me blame. Me gonna tell you who me blame.
Mm-hmm.
They blame the mother, they blame the father, and the fans. Because if you never have a fan base, all this fuckery wouldn't go on. People them who give him the platform and the likes and the fuckery because everybody love watch this soap opera bullshit. They enabled it, my friend.
But you
I
know the
mean,
funny thing about it,
me
Mikey?
not take back me talk.
Mikey, you know the
They
funny thing about it?
enabled it, brother.
I'm gonna tell you something, right?
See, this one about likes and click and run down lion and universe and this blood. I see when they get a prostitute them back door to people too.
I'm gonna say this
Tell
to
out
you,
they
Mikey,
say,
right?
and them
You know, sir.
nastiness they overcome them people, yeah, brother.
Yeah.
You know, it's a family where I used to really and truly watch because me not until like at first when I just to get when I just I get to know them and them thing there. Me say admire how them react to each other and how them behave. You understand?
Well, that is our.
Sometimes in
Let me
life,
tell you, let me tell you the
you let
problem.
me go.
So,
Sometimes in life, sometimes some things you will be seeing, but it is you know see where you need to see. Them only show you where them feel
Don't
like
worry,
where
you
them
see.
need to see.
all right,
In other words, they mislead you.
all right,
You
but
know what I
Rasta
mean?
Neely, you're the danger with that now, Rasta Neely. You're the danger with this now, what we just are talking about. I'm like where the conversation is at the moment, right?
Yeah.
Rasta Neely, them a live a fantasy life, they not live a realistic life.
Yes,
That's
that
the
is it.
first thing. Then, no, realism, no, this, no make fantasy look great, you know.
Mm-mm.
All right. Second thing that you know. The third thing, within this fantasy, fans appear and come up and them things just with the fuckery. You know what I say? Right?
Mm.
You have because they have a platform. When them have viewers and all of these things, gifters and all of these things, and the manipulation of their mind for money constraints cause all of this, my brother.
The fantasy being hype.
Ah, to you. See? So you see another saga, yeah? Me blame everybody. Mama, poopa, grandmama, grandpoopa, fans.
What hurt me most of all still, you know, is that they actually have the little one name all over it, even her picture. You get me, and I don't like that because I wonder if some of these people don't have kids. You get me,
Yo,
and
like I say,
you see, that is
every kid life
totally
matters,
wrong.
man.
You
Every
get me?
kid life matter, that is the
Every
thing.
kid life matters you. That's
You
why
get me?
somebody needs to
That is
take a
totally
stand.
wrong, bro. Because you don't know the damage that you're doing to that child
Exactly.
mentally.
But
You get
If
me?
I
Bridget,
have to,
Bridget,
if I have to make picking in with that man,
you
then
see,
me find him. If me have
You
to walk and
understand?
well,
walk.
I know, he all boy long to him.
It all boil down to content matter. You know, if you tell the truth, up to this point, me not see nothing about that blood clot in story there. Cause, Jamaica, certain thing me see, me no want blood clot. See, so all when me see it, me erase it out of my brain. You know, me
Brother,
not interested.
I
So.
don't know. Me have to tell you,
And you
Yo,
tell
I
us, say,
have never watched. I have never watched a minute
yo,
of that Bumbleclad saga. I've never watched a minute of. I don't know
Bridget,
nothing about
Bridget,
it.
you see, when the video come out with the
Good
security,
night, man. How are you,
man
Emperor?
send it to my phone, you know. Come on, to my phone. Oh, me block them from my bumble class for you. Me don't want to see them thing there, brother.
Yeah, man.
Me don't
Some things
want
you
to
don't
have
need to
nothing to
see,
do with
man.
them thing
Some
there.
things you don't need
I
to
come it down, you
put
see
in
me?
your aura.
You know
Because
what?
you see when me look one family not see it, you see family not see it, me and you can't have a conversation about it. And that's for me there.
The
But some
brother.
of these people too, where you see come on the internet and attack and crucify and array, not for them a culprit them, you know. You understand? Not for them a predator
But
them.
I
Not
see
for them.
you. We are the problem
You
platform
get
to
me?
come tell me about you. See,
Not for them we're ready to accuse and put you down and rear it. Not for them, bro. I
but
do the
look on
same
this
God
now.
Almighty
Look on
thing.
this now. See? Me no over here tell no lie upon him. But you come up on my platform come say I see you. So what? I man and talk. Is
You know
there
that
What you
him
somebody
mean?
like
that I should
What you
fear
him
mean,
in
like
this?
Mister?
to watch it out.
yo.
So because the last time I checked, me and Gino where I walk up and Jamaica with a slingshot to make him have a life. So is there something I should fear? I don't
My,
fucking
my, my, my knowledge of me a whole for me a 10 blood clot that a Jamaica in time a pussy feel like in right. Step up for me, ready for walk coming. Them plane me no
Tell
want
him
take
again.
clot a
So we
turn up
don't
me a
take
down
no
there.
plane, no bus, no nothing now. Walk, we are walk, go down
walk
on
where I
that
walk
cock,
my
you know.
life.
No want no blood clot plane can not take me fast enough for me a walk and water come on that blood clot a 10 me a down there. So me have to stand up for
Tell him
equal
that,
rights and justice.
man.
You don't
The
know where
funny
them
thing
Yeah.
what is
from.
taking place
All
in
of us
When you
America
say
too.
them things, some people don't understand what I mean.
Right now,
Say,
some things that take place in the world right now because me I watch a thing
hmm.
with where them a try to get a bill passed in the justice after court in America where they must say if a man should rape a little girl or grape a little girl and she got pregnant, right? She's supposed to carry that child, a 12-year-old, you know.
Yo. So
And
we just watch a news look while
if
with
you
one
if you
while little
if
girl
you if you
born
if you
yesterday.
if you abort
Where
that child,
me one
you're in
a
a
man
problem.
really. I cut him and take a baby in America yesterday. 10-year old.
You understand? So
what?
you see the world where we are going, you know,
Yeah
my
man.
brother. You see the world where we are living in right now, bro. It's a very confused and corrupt world, bro. And we have to differentiate ourselves. And there's not much of us either. That's how real and true and the good line.
Yeah, but
All
that is
right.
not the problem.
Pull up
The
here a
problem
second.
is when a man is a
Let,
man, you need to stand up as a man.
yeah, but hold on, me brethren. Let me rewind the tape a little bit and make we
Yeah.
know exactly which part we there and what kind of man we are dealing with in our world now. This is 2024. You remember say Obama legalized the man them to do them things, yeah? You know, now pay
Yes,
attention, you know.
me know.
So
Yes.
the people them are cut out with bars long enough and a time for we stand up and say, you what? No. The problem is not me, my wife, and my sweetheart. The problem is you I mess with the children then. That's the main problem. Because when
Mm-hmm.
you tell them same sex, okay, automatic,
Yeah, yeah,
you
change
legalize the
the
thing there.
whole genre how society is supposed to work.
Yeah, they
You
mess with
see,
the
you
whole
see,
thing.
so
Me on.
you just touch a point, you know. I just when enough time some people now watch. You see, as long as our brother or somebody who we like, Zine,
We,
or give
we,
them
we, we,
or tell you says or give them a
yeah,
position, Zine, and we
we,
not give a fuck what they want go they go do.
I
Cause same
see,
thing they do with Obama and say, yo, he's a black man. He's a black man, so
right.
give him a chance. Zine,
The
Kamala sit
worst
back,
that
I
could have
same
ever
fucking
happened to the
mistake, you
black
know, make
race.
sense here.
The worst thing that could have ever happened to the black race was that shit.
Okay.
I argue about that in university over here. right? And
Me,
it's like
yo.
most of the women them agree with me at the time, but they don't even know how it came about. Because nobody don't remember voting for it. Tell me, I tell you this, you know,
You know,
nobody
you
So
know,
did you
there's a
guys
lot
know
of
that
things that is.
Jamaica was deliberately targeted
Oh
to get
yes,
the agenda?
yeah, man, definitely, definitely,
That
definitely.
we were the
Yes.
most resilient
Yeah,
country
because
in the
we
world.
are the most stand-up people in the world.
Exactly. Right?
Yeah, we
And
are one of the most stand-up people in the world. When I was a
How is
boy,
how is it
you know,
going?
but we are one of the most stand-up people in the world, and that's the reason
even
why they target us.
yeah,
You know,
but
man,
at the same time,
and try to.
them now, me notice in a Jamaica itself, the history of the persecution of our ancestry by butt breaking is not much pushed, it even made aware to the youths.